If you haven't been keeping up with my Karen series, let me catch you up real quick. So me and Russell went to go tour an apartment complex, and let's say we ran into two ladies that were not very nice, and they ended up being Karens. You can't let me film?
No, it's a privacy policy. I can't let you.
So at all the other apartments, I was able to film.
That's gonna be
Can I have my
policy.
ID?
I can't.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You have a good day. I posted a YouTube video about what happened, and y'all went crazy on the reviews, and the Karen actually called me back the next day.
I would like to invite you to come by to tour. I do feel comfortable giving you a tour if you want to record your experience.
So today's the next day after that, and I'm gonna go tour the apartment with the head manager, all right? The leader of all the Karens. I'm not saying she's the ultimate Karen. She's actually very nice. They want to make it right, and they want to give me a nice tour. So I got an appointment, a tour in 30 minutes. We're about to leave the apartment, and they said I can film. So we're going to be filming the tour. This time I'm by myself, but it's with the manager, the head of the Karens. So this might be the final part of the Karen series. If you haven't yet, make sure you go watch the other videos before you watch this one. Let's go. I'm back. Yeah, guys, we just got to the Elon Apartments. Sure. Kind of nervous, bruh. Like, what if they try to set me up or something since I'm here, since I left them bad reviews or something? I don't know. We're back. This time I'm by myself. Good thing I got my bag. Just kidding. There's nothing in there, but let's go and see. And we need to wear the mask. So one thing I will say is, the lady on the phone earlier told me that a lot of their staff got COVID and they were short-staffed, so that's why it was a little intense. So that makes sense why they were telling us to wear masks and stuff. So I will gladly wear a mask this time. All right, guys, so I just talked to the manager and we're gonna tour 2 units. She's super nice. Not gonna put her on camera, but she's super, super nice. She's actually from San Antonio, so we got something in common. Things should go a lot better, lot better. All right, guys, so I'm back at Elon, right? Elon Apartments? Alon, sorry. And we're about to look at all the amenities. So here's, as soon as you walk in, this is what it looks like. What do you want to start off with first?
We can start off with the gym.
All right, for sure. Got everything you need here. I like it.
It's available
24/7? I like this. Cool.
Wish it was a nicer weather. And the club here is also available 24/7. You're welcome to come down at any time, play pool, have shuffleboard.
Pool table.
You can entertain over here in the
Everything's really nice here.
Thanks.
The chairs, the building. I like it. The pool. Do y'all have a hot tub?
We don't.
No. Do you think it's because like it gets hot in Texas, or why do you think they don't have a hot tub?
I think it's because it's so hot. I mean, people were at the pool, not here, but at my other community, like last week, and it was really hot.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
Our pool area is very spacious.
It is.
Plenty of areas where you can lay out. And we do get quite a bit of sunlight, you know, depending on the time of day. It'll be on this side or that side.
Right. All right, this is a 2-bedroom, right?
Yes.
Wow. So is this the master?
Yes.
Or
No, that one over there.
That one over there? So I should start over there?
Yeah.
All right, guys, look at this kitchen. Really, really nice. The unit available, do you know if it has the same finishing?
It does.
Yeah, it does? Okay, cool. Very spacious. I can see myself in here. Big room. I like how you could put a mirror right there when you wake up. Damn, these are nice as hell. 2 sinks. Standing shower. Bruh. Y'all better go put up your review. Dude, look at this closet. Y'all better go put a good review, man. I feel bad. I feel bad. It's nice as hell. So that's the master. Tall ceiling.
Open the balcony for you.
Thank you so much. Let's check it out. It's a big balcony. Damn, we got the biggest balcony here. Imagine I move here, just got the biggest balcony out of everyone else. Well, oh, they got a big one too, but I like this. This is like the best unit they have. I think she showed me it on purpose. I don't know.
The guest room is still very spacious.
Okay, let's check it out. Dang. These are really nice. See, why couldn't they just told me them the first time? Sheesh. This thing is huge. Bro, look at this closet. And you said the price for this was $29?
This one I don't have available, so I don't have pricing.
Okay.
But it'll probably be in between the 29 and the 23, because it's in the...
Right. Okay, cool. Dang. So is this the biggest unit y'all have?
No, so the one that is 29 is bigger.
Bigger?
I'll take a look at that one.
Dang, I thought this one was good. Wow, I was not expecting this.
I'm glad you like it.
It's really big and nice.
And it has a built-in desk, which is a nice touch.
Dang, I didn't even notice that.
We have space for a dining table if you want. And this island's really good for entertaining.
Dang. Alright, well, I like this one.
We do have snacks and drinks in here. Do you want to take any?
It's the first ever complex to do this. To be honest, I should not be eating anything crazy. I got my water, but thank you so much. Alright guys, we're going to the 7th floor. She said this is where the Sky Lounge is, and it's her favorite part of the apartments. And I didn't record it while she said it, but they have retail. They got a barber shop, a coffee shop, a nail salon. What am I? Hair salon. What else?
We already said coffee shop.
Oh, you said the
Outside equal.
Wow. Let me just show y'all this view real quick. I can see why you like this. Dang, I'm gonna put this on my story real quick. Wow. Sky Lounge. You can go out here?
Yeah, go for it. I'm gonna stay because I don't have a jacket.
Yeah, I understand.
Just walk me back here, okay?
Okay. Sheesh. Look at this. Guys, I wish they would have just gave me the tour, man. Imagine if I would have posted this instead of the Karen video. This shit is crazy. And it's nice as fudge, bro. I feel like I can come up here, sit down here, come up with video ideas, mukbangs if I wanted to. But there's so much I could do here. The only thing is, look at the view too. Let me show you the view. It's just nice as hell, man. So we're about to go check out another unit. This lady's actually really nice. I would low-key feel bad. Y'all need to go change the reviews. Y'all see these apartments are really, really, really nice. All right, guys, here's the second unit. Wow. Okay. I'll let you do that. Wait, this one's available right now?
It is. Yes, sorry, we forgot to go see the big one. We'll see that one next. This one's the smaller one, so that's all.
How small is this?
This one is 1189 square feet.
Okay.
Almost 1200.
Okay, I'll let you turn on all the lights before I show them. But yo, I'll show y'all the kitchen in the meantime, guys. This thing is perfect. Little island kind of, not island, but little good area. Everything's really nice, quality. This might be one of the nicest apartment complexes we've seen.
You're good to go.
All right, so this is the living room. I like how it's centralized between the two rooms. Which one's the master? That one? This is the master? I just want to put in perspective real quick how big this is. So I'm gonna stand at the door. Boom. So here's the master. Good size, really good size. We got a pool view. Here's the restroom, tub, and standing shower. Fat closet. Holy shit. I can put all my shoes right there. Wait, how much is this one?
So I need to get pricing up. It's not working right now, but
Right.
it says starting is at $22.91.
This is 22.
$22.91 before,
Right.
water and all that.
22. Wow. Dang, guys, I really, really like this. Wow. I feel like this is perfect. The only thing, I don't even mind it, but the only thing that she mentioned was that it doesn't have a balcony. But for this, I don't think you need a balcony. I think this one's perfect. I don't really use a balcony ever. I just go out there just to get fresh air.
You can just go to the sky lounge.
Exactly. Oh my gosh. I could just go to the Sky Lounge. Guys, in the comments, let me know what you guys think about this unit. I really, really like this one. And if it's the price you said, this might be on my number 2 list for apartments. All right, another unit real quick. Start over here. A little different setup. Room. This is the study room? Wow. You could put a couch in here. Make it into a studio. Wow. Then the restroom. Dang. These are really, really nice.
Thank you. You have the master room over there and the shower's really cool.
High ceilings. Master room. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my gosh. These are crazy. What the fudge? So this one, guys, is $2,900, so I'm not gonna be getting this one, but this is really, really nice. Nice little view. Big, 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 big. In the kitchen, full on. Wow. And here's the washer and dryer?
Yeah. Full size and have shelving up top.
Alright guys, so I didn't get to see their 1-bedroom units, which I really wanted to see because these are freaking nice, guys. They're actually nice. They're actually decently priced in a good area. Like, I could move into these. I can envision myself moving into these. And if we just wouldn't have had the problem with the Karen being so rude in the beginning, I would have done seeing these. Y'all would have seen these sooner. Maybe I would have applied to these. I definitely got to take these into consideration, guys. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Like, the actual units themselves, you know what I'm saying? The lady was nice. She answered all my questions, legit all my questions. I don't know if I said it on camera, but I told her, like, I'm glad I got to tour these. Like, these look really nice. Thank you for showing me. But yeah, these are actually really nice. And I really feel bad. Like, the reviews do not match how these look. Y'all saw. I don't know what we should do about the reviews. But yo, comment on this video. This video needs like at least 300 comments. But let me know what y'all think about the whole Karen series. There's no more Karen. The Karens are gone. But if you haven't yet, make sure you go watch all the other apartment videos and the Karen videos, all right?